Hi, this is Harry and welcome back to my English lessons where I try to give you a better understanding of English. Somebody has asked me to give an explanation as to the difference between so and to. And I'm putting the emphasis on to, not to, the preposition to, but to, T-O-O. So what are the differences between them? Well, we use so in the same way as we use very, but it means a little stronger. Oh, you drive so fast, and there's a bit of excitement about it, okay? But if I use too, there's a negative connotation. Oh, you drive too fast, so it's dangerous and I don't like it, okay? So you might be breaking the speed limit or breaking the law. So, oh, you drive so fast, positive. You drive too fast, negative, okay? Another example, if you're walking in the park with your friend and you see a €20 note on the ground and there's a man walking in front of you, you pick up the €20 note and you hand it to the man, say, oh, I think you dropped this. And he says, oh, you're so honest. Yeah, positive, okay? Another day you're walking in the park, you see the €20 note lying on the ground, there's nobody around you, you pick it up and you take it to the police station and you hand it in to the police, and your friend says later on, no, you're too honest, there was nobody near you, I would have just put it in my pocket. So honest, oh, positive, too honest, negative connotation. Okay, thanks for joining me and join me again soon.